In this program, I'll show you how to transfer a video from the iPad to a Macintosh using the image capture application. In Applications on your Macintosh, locate the image capture application. Double-click it to start it up, and initially it'll indicate that there's no camera or scanner connected. Connect your iPad to the Macintosh using the charging cable, plugging it into the USB plug on your Macintosh. You'll see it displayed in the image capture application. If iTunes has fired up at the same time, and this is the computer that you sync to iTunes, you can allow it to sync and finish that syncing before you continue on with image capture. If it's not the computer that you normally sync to, then quit iTunes. If iPhoto starts, likewise, you can quit iPhoto. In the image capture program, there are two ways of looking at files that are on your iPad. One is as a list, and the other is as icons. In this case, we're going to look at the files as a list. And we're going to sort that list using these labels at the top. The label we're going to click on will determine how the list is sorted. And we want the arrow on the right-hand side pointing up. If you tap it again, the arrow will point down. Pointing up means that the oldest files are at the top and the newest files are at the bottom. So we'll scroll down to the bottom of this list. And the video that we want is the last one we dealt with. So it's the last MOV file, last movie file in the list. So you click on that to highlight it, and it'll say here that one of however many is selected. Then we pick a place to download it to. So in this case, what we'll do is we'll put the video on the desktop. So it'll import to desktop, and we click on Import. While the import is going on, there'll be a little message here saying that it's importing the video. And when that message disappears, the video will have been imported to the desktop. So the video is there. We can now disconnect the iPad 2, and we can quit the image capture application. And if we look at the desktop, we'll find that there is a file of that same name, which is the video file we just transferred to the computer. Now we're ready to do an upload through a web browser.